right, I just wrote down a couple of different rationals and thought we could find the parts. So you see them now. If you want to pause it and then see how you do and then turn it back on, that's probably a good idea. Or you can just watch me walk through it and it would just be like practice. So I'm factoring this top factors as x minus 3x plus 2. The bottom factors as x plus 2, x plus 1. Which means I do have a matching pair. So that represents a hole, or what we call a removable discontinuity. So I have a RD, that's just an abbreviation for removable discontinuity at x equals -2, which means whatever's left on bottom is the vertical asymptote. So at x equals -1, which means whatever's listed on top is the x-intercept, which is at x equals 3. And then my horizontal asymptote, I'm going to get from before it's in factored form. So you compare your exponents. That's called your degree. My degree on top is the same as my degree on bottom. So according to Botten, bigger on bottom 0, bigger on top none. If the exponents are the same, divide coefficients. Well, my coefficient is 1 and 1, so that means this time my horizontal asymptote is y equals 1. Okay, let's see. This one factors as not quite as easy to factor. If you need a refresher on how to factor when there's a lead coefficient of 2, I can definitely go over that. You probably learned some sort of, I can't remember who you had. Did you have Lynette Crowley? I can't remember who you had for AP Stats and then for Algebra 2. But anyway, she probably taught you some crazy math because she's super smart. Okay, I have RD right here. So that's my removable discontinuity at x equals 1. Which means I have a vertical asymptote again at x equals -1, which means my x-intercept is at, I solve that, and so it's going to be x equals +½ and then my horizontal asymptote, compare your degrees, and they're the same again, so exponents are the same, divide coefficients, so it's y equals 2. So this last one factors as x plus 4, x minus 2, and x plus 5. So this time I have no hole, so RD is none. Vertical asymptote is anything left on bottom, so x equals -5. So this time I have two x-intercepts at -4 and +2, and then exponents, so I compare my degree, and this time it's 2/1, which is bigger on top, and that means there's none. So at this one, there's no horizontal asymptote. So I hope that helps.